Hello, in this video we will talk about a fashionable summer knit with lovely open work and lots of texture. This knitting pattern is a distant relative of it. There are 4 rows and 6 loops in the knitting pattern. The example has a multiple of 6 loops plus 1 for symmetry and 4 edge stitches. A single long loop that is knitted just on one side, and decreases that alternate to the left and right, form the basis of the knitting. I'll go into great detail about how to do it. I'll go over the feature of knitting in the round at the end of the video. Row 1 is on the right side, after edge loops. This row's repeat pattern is knit 1, knit 2 together with a slope to the right, make a yarn over loop, knit 1, make a yarn over loop, knit 2 together with a slope to the left. Again, knit 1, knit 2 together to the right, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 2 together to the left. Row 2 is on the wrong side, after edge loops. This row's repeat pattern is slip 1, with the thread in front, purl 2. Again, slip 1, purl 2. Row 3 is on the right side. The repetition scheme for this row is knit 1, make a yarn over loop, knit 2 together with a slope to the left, knit 1, knit 2 together with a slope to the right, and make a yarn over loop. Again, knit 1, yarn over, knit 2 together to the left, knit 1, knit 2 together to the right, yarn over. Row 4 is on the wrong side. Repeat. Slip 1, with the thread in front, purl 2. Again, slip 1, purl 2. When knitting in the round, the difference is in rows 2 and 4. They both look like this. Slip 1 with the thread in the back, knit 2. I have presented you with an extremely stylish knit with a gentle texture and an attractive relief, an ideal choice for summer. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate you all being here. If you enjoy the video, please click the like button. Subscribe to the channel and notifications to watch all of my videos. I wish you inspiration. Knit joyfully and with affection. See you soon.